Sometimes um, I'm a little bit lost about the niches that I maybe can lean on to make videos about. But I definitely decided to make videos about my job because I want you guys to know exactly what I'm doing in my life, if my daily basis. I just want you guys to know my daily routine, the thing that I'm doing every day, my my own job. Um, there's something definitely. I feel this is gonna be really funny to share you um everything I'm going to do every day, but bit by bit it's going to make sense because right now it's not something that um, I didn't already take it as granted. It's not something that I already pour in the bottom of my heart. It's not something that I already put on my heart. So I'm still a little bit um and no full time. I'm not a full time content creator because uh, my job is taking 100% of my time as well, and it's just when I have little time, or maybe when I have a free day, and this is when I have a free day that I can do videos for you guys. Now I'm on one of my set. I'm on one of my building set, so I'm actually busy. I'm currently busy, yeah, as well. And but I just decided to make a video. Yeah, guys, I just decided to make video just to talk about something with you. Maybe something that is gonna be interesting for you, or maybe for some other person that just want to share something or want to know something about me. That's it. Yeah, that's it. Not something very complicated. So, um, as I was saying, uh, I'm gonna do maybe I'm going to start doing videos a little. Maybe I'm going to start doing comic videos for the beginning, just to just to get myself, just to get a lot of subscribers, a lot of watching time on my YouTube channel, and because now I'm not yet known. Nobody knows me already. I'm still in the dark. I'm still walking in the dark, but bit by bit, this I'm going to make it. That's for sure. Yeah, I'm going to make it bit by bit. So I'm going to make comic videos just to make you laugh, guys. But then I'm going to switch so that we can seriously enter the straight topic about my job. So at that time, I'm going to genuinely share the work that I'm doing. I'm going to genuinely share uh, uh, everything that I'm going to do about my job, about everything on my job, on my journey, on the building side, and everywhere. Because here I'm currently in Cameroon. It's actually in Africa. If you know Cameroon, there's so many people around the world that love Cameroon. Yeah, this is an amazing country. And maybe you guys need to visit this country. This is very beautiful as well. So if you need to go back about our topics, I was saying that for the first time, at first, I'm going to do a comic video. This is just a warning. This is just to warn you that for the beginning, I'm not going to talk about my straight topic, my straight life. And I just want to make videos about a laughing, about funny videos, about funny trends, just to get a lot of subscribers, bits by bits, and stuff, everything. So, guys, this was um, I'm not doing video every day. I'm not doing every video every day. I feel like I'm just doing video when I need when I'm in the mood. Yeah, I can say it. I just can make video when I'm in the mood. It's not something that I'm not feel free to do video like every day because this is not already in my blood. Yeah, and I definitely need to get in my blood. There's something that I just want it to roll in my blood, in my vein, and everywhere in my body. Yeah, I just need to be a full-time content creator just to get my own job, my own pen building job for part time, and then paint for second time. It's all about my journey. Yeah, that just all that I want to do now. So pen for one time and content creation for second time. That's all I want to do now. So guys, this was really a pleasure to talk about this with you. I hope you are going to subscribe bit by bit, and then by the time you are going to subscribe and like my content, other people are going to know my channel, are going to know that I exist. Yeah, because I definitely have something new to share about the world, about everything maybe that I know about my experience in my life, in my job, and everything. So, see you next time, guys. Take care.